Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Bit of a quick video this, but I will have some more in-depth videos coming soon about my deep reasoning behind this. As you can see behind me, that empty space, that is where my R1300GSA used to live. But it's sold. Again, like I say, a bit of a quick video, but I won't go into too many reasons apart from the obvious one. I think if you've been following me for a while, you'll know why. I just couldn't get the hang of the automatic shift assistant, that automatic gearbox. It was far too clunky, and the straw which broke the camel's back for me was when I bought this off TEMU. I'll try and give you a close-up there. I paid 79 cents for that. And I'm really annoyed that it arrived just like this in an envelope from TEMU. This is the conversion kit purely for an R1300GSA to convert it back to, from the auto gearbox back to manual. So I was really cheesed off when that didn't work. And after trying to fit that on the bike, I mean, even look at the size of the handlebar. It's tiny, you know, it's like for a doll's pram or something. I just thought after that, especially when TEMU said they wouldn't give me 79 cents back, I'll sell the bike. So, however, not all is bad news, because you probably know the new buyer. It's none other than Andy, the Missenden Flyer. So when he found out last week on the grapevine that I'm possibly shifting my bike on, he rang me and asked if he could have first dibs on it. And then again, I spoke to him last night. He's actually flying over today to ride the bike home. So I spoke to him last night on the phone, and he told me that he secretly loved the look of this bike since it was released last year. So that's the good news, because if you want to follow the bike and the progress Andy has with the bike, hop over to his channel, the Missenden Flyer. So in the meantime, the only thing left of the bike, and that, oh, it's very sad seeing that empty space, of course it is, but I've kept all of the bags, and for good reason. The reason I've kept all of the bags is because I've bought another one. Exactly the same colour, same everything, just with the manual gearbox. My reasoning behind this is I love the bike, just not the ASA, and the year is flying by. You know, already we're at what's today, April the 1st today, so the year is just going like that, and I need to get out and do some tours and trips and everything. So I wish Andy, the Missenden Flyer, the best of luck with the automatic gearbox, and thanks for tuning in. I'll have much more in-depth videos coming soon about this decision, and of course you can follow the progress of the arrival of my new bike. But in the meantime, I shall be back on YouTube on Saturday morning, 8 AM. Have a great day, everybody. Ride safe, and we'll chat soon. Dave Perry, Really Good TV, over and out.